Hey, tell me how fast you go. I'm recording.
Sorry, Jane. Hey, I'm ill. Yeah. Huh?
But they were above 80. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You heard that.
Above 80, but I ain't telling you.
I'm poppin' just like my pills. Back it up, white on the wheels. Back it up, slow down the wheel. With the hot water, we slide on the wheel. See you ain't got no hands in the tweak like a nigga was missing. Stay buzzing just like my phone, she in love with a nigga. My hair two-tone, my nigga, I'm buzzing just like my phone, she in love with a nigga. My hair two-tone. So good.
Yeah, we just got chased out our old spot. We had a new spot right now. Can't stop us.
They got me hot, homie. How about that?
I
They got me super bad. Fuck that.
Sorry, Jane.
You talking about that lowrider that's quiet?
Yeah.
Talking about what?
The quiet lowrider?
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, well, bought that motherfucker up, cause I'll go get that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hey. I got a couple thousand. I got a couple thousand on that motherfucker right now. I don't give a fuck about them charges, nothing.
Sorry, Jane.
Look at that car.
Yeah. Huh?
155. I can let that.
Yeah.
Hey. What I tell you? What you see, Charles?
We bowling the 240 down there.
Yeah, I know you were thinking that.
Sorry, Jane.
Remember, I went more than I was too good.
Yeah.
I'll show you how you do it. How about you? No, Sally. How about it? Yeah. 235. I didn't know, right?
Hey, you. Hey. Funny guy. Come on.
I
200 even.
I weigh 25 right now.
Sorry.
Over 160. Come in. I know he likes this motherfucker. Come here. Come on, man. What you scared of?
Sorry, Jane. Yeah. Huh?